you guys have to draw on the model first, okay? Listen carefully.
Okay.
So you take the half of the toad, draw one line. This one is for the bridge, okay? The sample is here. And then you take the mixture cups and the distal cups, you draw one line also. Okay? So this is the length of the bridge. Okay? When you do the arrowhead, you have to sit on the cervical line. Okay? Like this one, all have to sit on it. Okay? After that, you do your shoulder. The shoulder have to engage in the interdental. Okay? Don't do it too high, because when your lower is biting, that time it will directing hit on the area. Okay? And then your tap. 0.5 to 1 mm avoid from tissue surface. Okay? Okay, first straighten your wire. Okay, then you bend at 90°. Put on your model. Get another half. Mark. This one is your length of your bridge. Okay. So you bend it another 90°. This one is your bridge. Okay. Okay, understand? After that, you just turn it ahead. Put on the model. Mark for the height of your arrowhead. Can you see or not behind? Oh, I need to pull it out a bit, so you guys can stand inside a bit. Okay, mark. So after mark, put the Adam, bend it out. Okay, both sides. So they come like that. Why?
Because how else to do just that.
After that, this one have to listen carefully. You put your Adam like that into your. You put your wire into your Adam like that. Okay. Oh, see carefully. Understand? Then you press it. When you do this, please hold your Adam tight. Okay. Press it. Push it up until it's middle. In the center. Okay. And then you push it in. So you can get your arrowhead. So that's why I said you have to hold it tight. If not, you cannot get. After that, it's still very broad, right? So you use an Adam, you just grip to make it smaller. So your 45° won't be too. Okay. Then I repeat another side. It's the same way. So you grip it like that. Okay. You see? You press it, push it up until it's middle, and then hold it tight, press it in. When you press it in, it's like that. It's in the middle. It's going in. Okay. So you can get it. Okay. And then just grip, make it smaller. Okay. So place it back to the model. See, is it too far out or what? Is it 45 degrees? Place it nicely. Okay. Place it. Okay. Place it back to the model. Okay. So this after that, you need to do your shoulder already. Okay. Your Adam have to place it below the bridge. Okay. Everything like that. Okay. You can see it. See it? And do it like that. Below the bridge. Okay. So push it out again. Just be like that. And bring it in.
弟弟哥哎，有录完吗？录都看不到。
This part cannot repeat a lot of times, right? It will break. I'll tell you guys first now. Okay. So that put it back. Okay. You mark. Put it back. Okay. So when you do this, please check your arrowhead is still sitting on the circle line or not. Okay. After that, mark again. So the excess part, you just bring it up first, okay? Save it. So this is the first part, okay? Then I'll do the second part again. Place your Adam below the bridge, okay? And then you bring it out. After that, you bring it back in. Okay.
全部人是为了敷衍你罢了咯。
明白。
那个是看法，没有没有，不是敷衍你，看了我就觉得自己很辛苦，知道吗？
还是我拔掉你那一块？
所以我可不可以就放我这个下去，跟他讲，哎，老师，你可以给我做好了。
3D printer.
他问我一下。
Okay. 应该站这里啊。
不是 camera，
哦。所以你 mark again。
还可以 repeat 多一次。
还挺是啊，维他弄。
So let's bring it up again. So make sure when you do your shoulder, it's not too high. Okay? Have to be.
It's a very long start. It's like from the start already.
you guys have any doubts, just come back lah. I know that there's a lot of questions you have to ask. It's okay.
就讲你会帮我们做到完这。
不会帮你做，我会只教你们吧。
做一半就好，不用全部啊。
Okay, guys, done. Not very perfect 啦，but OK 啦。
是啦，应该来
不 perfect 的话给我啦，
没有讲很难。
这样这个给我啦。
哎。
没有这样不 perfect 的时候。